on September 6th and 7th, Data Futurology's Advancing AI conference is coming to Sydney. One of the things that we really focus on doing in our conferences is to bring the community together. We've had really good feedback that our roundtables is a great way to meet and network with new peers and have discussions around items of interest. So it's a bit of a choose your own adventure when it comes to the topic. Some of the topics that we'll be covering in the roundtables this time is around business readiness and engagement, data monetization, ethical applications of data and AI. We're going to be looking at trust in data, talking about generative AI and how to implement it in the enterprise. What are the practical applications? All that and more. So come join us. Get your tickets on the link below. It's going to be a great couple of days. I hope to see you there.